How to make money as a content creator. There are several ways for a content creator to make money. Some of the most popular include sponsored content or product placement, partnering with brands and including their products or services in your content. Advertising, running ads on your videos, blog or social media channels. Affiliate marketing, earning a commission by promoting products or services of others. Selling products, creating and selling your own products, such as books, courses, merchandise, etc. Membership or subscription, offering exclusive content or perks to people who pay a recurring fee. Crowdfunding, asking your audience to support you financially through platforms like Patreon or Kickstarter. Licensing and selling content, licensing your content to media outlets, brands or platforms for a fee. It's important to note that monetizing your content requires a large and engaged audience, so building and growing your audience should be a top priority. What's the best way to build and grow your audience? Building and growing your audience takes time and effort, but here are some strategies that can help. Define your niche. Create content that caters to a specific audience and addresses their interests, needs, and problems. Produce high-quality content regularly. Consistency is key, and publishing high-quality content on a regular schedule will help you attract and retain followers. Optimize your content for search. Make sure your content is optimized for search engines, so it's easily discoverable by potential followers. Promote your content. Share your content on social media, participate in online communities related to your niche, and collaborate with other content creators. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with your followers to build a relationship with them. Utilize social media platforms. Utilize social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc. to reach a wider audience and connect with potential followers. Offer value. Provide value to your audience through helpful tips, tutorials, or exclusive insights, and always aim to solve their problems or provide entertainment. Experiment and iterate. Test different strategies and approaches, track your results, and adjust your approach based on what's working best for you. Remember, building an audience takes time, but by following these strategies, you can gradually grow and engage a loyal following over time.